If you want to run dynamic ads that automatically show the right product to the right people, you need a product catalog. And in this video, we're talking about how to go through the setup for this and add the product catalog ads from scratch, from creating the catalog, connecting your pixel, and publishing your first campaign. So for this, we will need to open up the Meta Commerce Manager. Okay, open this one up. You then go to Commerce Manager. And now, as you can see, we have the only tab, which is Assets, but we're looking to click on this product for a personal catalog. Press on that. And then we can, as you can see, now browse our catalog. And now we can open it and add the items. So press on Products. And in here, as you can see, you can add new ones. So you just upload via file, via Pixel, or via the partner integrations like Shopify. If you have a Shopify or WooCommerce store, choose the partner integration. It updates automatically. If you're uploading manually, choose File Upload, select your CSV, and then confirm. If you want to add your pixel, you need to go to the catalog settings, and data sources, and connect a pixel. So you go to data sources here, and in here, as you can see, we have pixel. You click on next, and in here, you can create a pixel. Also, you can set up your ad set. You can choose Advantage Plus catalog ads if you want automated targeting, if you want automated targeting, or choose retargeting and show products to people who viewed or added to cart. You can just set location, budget, and placement. Leave optimization set to conversion. And then in the ad section, choose dynamic formats and creative. Upload one headline and one description. Facebook will automatically insert product names and prices. Add your logo and choose a simple, clean template if you want the carousel look, and click Publish. And that's how you set up product catalog ads on Facebook. If this helps, feel free to check out the other tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.